Hello guys, I just want to show you how to place a bet on Sportybet and how to use the betting code to place a bet. There are a lot of people sending message that they don't know how to place a bet with Sportybet or any other bookmakers. So we just want to use our Sportybet as an example. So everyone that don't know how to use or how to place a bet with a bookmaker should watch this video till the end. Okay, what you need to do in the first place is to create your account. Once you create your account, go to your login, then you type in your phone number, which is your login username. Then you put your password. Once you put your password, you click on login. When you click on login, it will take you to the website where you have your balance. Already you have money in my account, so if you don't have money, you go to deposit and click on deposit. Click on deposit, then you um, deposit money into your account. You can either deposit through a bank transfer or you add your debit or credit card. I've already added my credit card here, so all you need to do is to type in the amounts that you want to deposit. For example, let me try 100 naira. So once you deposit and you put your pin, you have to create the pin. So once you put your pin, um, the money will be credited into your betting account. So then the next step is, if someone sends you a booking code and you come here, you come to this place where they write bet slip. You click on it. Once you click on it and you insert the booking code, you can either type, or if you copied it, you just paste it. In my case, I copied the booking code, so I'm going to paste it. So I've pasted it. Then you click on load. Once you click on load, it will display the game for that day. And this is the game for today, which is the two odds that we share to our premium subscribers. Okay, this is the game. Once you load the game, you can then put the amount that you want to bet the game with. You can type any amount that you know you can afford to bet. In this case, I'm using a 10 naira, which is I'm not using Sportybet as my official betting platform. So I'm just using this to illustrate this video. Okay, you click on bet. When you click on bet, you confirm it. When you confirm, your bet will be placed successful. As you can see, bet are successful, so the bet has been placed. So if the game won, you see your balance will increase. So that is a very simple way of placing a bet with a Sportybet. Thank you for staying tuned, and then see you in the next video.